You got wires in the box unhooked?
Yeah. I just inverted them.
Okay. You got wires in the box unhooked?
Yeah. I just inverted them.
Okay. Did you gain?
Yeah, I built the box a little small and it lower tuning a little bit.
Okay.
So.
Oh, that's different. I like that. What made you do that?
I had a piece left over.
Just a piece left over?
From that window my
Yeah.
buddy gave me. It was like, he puts in, that's actually like bulletproof acrylic. He puts it in banks and stuff. So
yeah.
he asked me if he had a big scrap piece, so.
Okay.
Yeah, I just put one on each side and I got a fan over there.
That looks good.
They're cool.
Yeah,
Both
I
are
like
really
it.
good. They don't
That
really
looks
get
good
above
too.
like 125. That's just kind of.
Yeah, it works.
Right?
Yeah.
I just fixed the passenger door, every show. I gotta replace this, I gotta replace this. It just eats through there. It's stainless steel. That's okay.
You want to give me a rundown of everything in here?
It's two Bonce SA318s on two AAK 4Ks, strapped at one, so half a piece. And then I got 4 MX8 mids and 4 Neo tweeters on a AAK 200 by 4.
Yep. Down here?
Yep. And I got 88 amp hours LTO and JS 300 amp alt.
I saw your voltage is really good.
Yeah. It does good.
Awesome.
Hell yeah.
Thanks for the demo, man.
Yeah.
What was your name?
Ryan.
Ryan. Jacob.
Always a pleasure.
Yes, sir, Ryan. Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Dude, that thing's wicked. We demoing? All right.
Pull up on the block and do the dash like crazy. This chick is hella hot, but I know this chick crazy. If I think she DJ Hurts Music. If you ever need somebody to lean on me. Lean on me. Lean on me. Whoa, 'cause I'ma make you feel so high back.
RCA came out.
Oh. Does that happen a lot?
It just happened recently.
Oh man.
The RCA came out of the amp.
Oh, that's not good. Dude, that thing is loud, man.
It's not doing bad.
Yeah, dude, especially when you put that window down, you could tell it went up like a dB and a half. Before I thought your system was impressive, but now that you got this, it's like twice as impressive, you know what I mean?
It's a little louder.
Yeah. What's going on, everybody? This is Jacob Viral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.